Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good. All right, so in this video I'm going to be exposing something. I'm going to be exposing a secret to you guys. This one is going to blow your mind. This is going to be a life-changing video. Okay, whether you're a new trader, maybe beginner, or you have been trading for long, this video is going to change a lot of things when it comes to how you see the market or how you trade or the strategy you are using. Okay, in this video you are probably going to see why the particular strategy you are using right now is not working for you as you want, or the reason why you are not actually getting what will I say what you deserve. Maybe you have been here for years, 2 years, 3 years, or 6 months. I don't know how long you have been trading or you have been in this field, but I'm not actually seeing the result. I'm going to be sharing with you the one of the major reason, okay, why a lot of people have been around without making money at all, or even consistently making money in this field, right? So now if you type anything about forex trading in YouTube, okay, if you go to YouTube and search for forex trading for beginner or anything like that, you're definitely going to start seeing a lot of videos, which my own might be one of them. Now this is the reason why I'm bringing this video, because I noticed that a lot of people don't actually pay close attention to what is most important when it comes to trading. Now if you search those things, you're going to see people talking about maybe support and resistance. Okay, you're going to see people talking about trend lines. You're going to see people talking about indicators. You're going to see people talking about maybe chart patterns and all that. Okay, now does these things work? I'm going to give you like kind of 50%. It is a 50-50 game. Now just pay close attention at the end of this video. If you don't get value on this video, okay, if you don't get value, just dislike this video. In fact, unsubscribe from this channel, unsubscribe and stop seeing my videos. This is very serious. I just observe I notice that people don't even understand this, because sometimes you might be teaching, or you might be creating content and you just think everybody know a certain thing. But when you mentor people, maybe in your private mentorship, you discover that a lot of people that actually understand where to pick or focus more on. Okay, so people, I noticed that a lot of people are focusing more on this support and resistance stuff, trend line stuff, chart patterns and all that, instead of understanding how the price move. The price is everything, guys. Let me tell you something. Let's say you want to draw uh, uh, um, uh, a trend line. Okay, the price is moving to the upside and you decided to draw a trend line. Now you might have maybe weak right here, long week. You might have small one here. You might have this. You have weak also here. Maybe this one no weak. This one small weak to the upside and all that. Now, if you want to draw your trend line, guys, you have weak to this level. Where are you going to put your trend line? Let me share this. Many people are going to draw their trend line here, here, here. Connecting this. Okay, they will just draw it this way to the upside. Now, some mentors will teach you to draw through the wick. You should focus on the wick, target the wick. Some will tell you focus on the closing of the candlestick or something like that. Now, a lot of people are going to draw in their trend lines around this zone, right? So, the problem now is not about drawing trend line or whether trend line is working or not. The problem is, how do you see the market? Now a lot of people will now depend on this trend line, solely on this trend line, that this trend line will always break their hearts. Now if the price come back again to this line, these people who have their trend line here is going to buy, right? They are going to buy. What about these people who their trend line is here? What about those ones their trend line is down here? Because millions of people are in this field and they are drawing, they have been mentored by different people. They are drawing trend lines depending on how they have, maybe their mentor have kind of teach them or have shown them how to draw in their trend line. So which one is the price going to respect? Which one is the price going to obey? That's the issue. That's the major problem we are having. Then when it comes to support and resistance, remember I'm going to share with you how to do this thing proper, or how to look at trend line. Okay, now if it comes to support and resistance, the price is maybe ranging or creating this kind of stuff here. people are going to draw in their support and resistance. The same thing, you're going to have some wicks and all that. So some people are going to draw here, some going to draw to this level here and all that. So where exactly is price going to respect? Which one is the price going to respect? Will the price be maybe partial, favor some people and leave some people and all that? So what you need to understand first is that all these things are tools. They're not like price components. These are built-in tools to help you do some analysis. It's not like the price know anything about these lines you are putting on. It's not like the price is moving based on the support level you have put in or resistance level you are putting or your trend line. The price don't care. The price don't even know that the line, those lines are there. The price will always move according to price action, the way that is in terms of collecting liquidity, liquidating some levels, collecting orders, pushing. So first of all, you have to focus on how the price is moving first. You need to understand how the price moves. Then if you are now adding your support, resistance, trend lines, all those things, you make sure that they are respecting the price movement, right? You make sure that you're respecting price movement, not just because you have put in a trend line which the price know nothing about. The price will now come to your level and respect the line. No, these things are being put by, if you use MT5 instead, if you go to maybe a trading view, these are tools, right? Built in tools to help you analyze the market. The market is solely independent of those lines you are drawing or those chart. You see patterns, double top, double. I've taught a lot of patterns right here in this channel, but you should understand that the price do it thing, not just because of you have seen double top, the price must push to the downside, or double bottom, the price must push the upside. No, the price will always do whatever the price wants to do, not because of your line. So let me share with you a typical example with this chart right now. This is crash 300. Now if you look here, when the price is here, you can see the price have been, you can see the week, everything. The price rejected this zone, rejected here, and also rejected here. Okay, now as a price action trader, people who use using support and resistance, maybe you have that strategy, support and resistance strategy, you are going to simply draw in a level right there, right? You just put in a line. So now look at the issue. Look at the issue. Now some people are going to draw in their level here. You can see the week. Yeah, maybe the person's mentor have taught him or her that you should focus on the week, right? And you can see there is a week right here. That's this person's resistance. Now another person's resistance might be at this week right here. Another person's resistance will be here. Remember, most of the problem we are having is that we just think we are the only one trading. A lot of people are also doing this, maybe something close to what you are doing. So you should always know that you are not the only one in this market, and the market is not just targeting only you. So a lot of people are drawing their support and resistance in different ways. So another a set of people are going to also draw maybe here, and some is going to use this kind of tool, which is rectangular angular tool, to put in their level, right? So which one will this price respect to push to the downside? Which one will the price just respect? Maybe after this push here, this zone, respect this first people, this particular resistance here, or should respect this one, or should do this, or respect the week before pushing to the downside? Which one is the price going to respect? Now let me now expose this thing right here. So if I do away with all these lines, because they are secondary, okay? First thing first, price moves in swings, right? Creating those higher highs and higher lows, which we know that the price will push impulsively, then the price will correct the movement. If there is a kind of consolidation here, the price will collect liquidity from here, gather strength, collect orders. People who have stacking buy limits right here, the price will collect all the orders and push more to the upside, then give us a retracement or pullback or correction, correct this movement, then push again. So this is simply how the price moves. Whether you are drawing your line, you are not drawing line, the price will always move this way. There is no argument. If you want to argue, then go on with your argument, but this is how the price moves. So when you are looking at price, don't just be fast in drawing lines, support, resistance, trend lines. First of all, understand the price movement. Then with the price movement, you can now draw in a line that will work in accordance with the price movement, not just the lines now trying to stop the price from making its movement. Some people will just think once I draw support or resistance at a level, the price should respect it. It will stop this price. Look at this level, very strong. It will now stop this price from pushing up. Who is telling you that one? Look at how the price is moving first before you start making any conclusion. Now, if you look here, the price is actually pushing massively to the upside. There's a little bit of consolidation here, push again, then price pushed back, right? Then push again and couldn't break this one. So here is still the following price action right here, trying to consolidate a bit. Now look at this leg. You can see that this particular current, let's say, let me just label this as 2, is higher than 1, right? That means the price is still up, the trend is still up, the trend is still bullish. It couldn't, this particular price couldn't break the previous low, so we are still bullish. That's the price movement for you. Now there is no way a resistance level is going to stop this price from breaking to create another high. There is no way. So you don't just put a line here and say, okay, now this is the price I've touched here, and here the next one is going to reverse. Who is telling you that one? You can see that the price is still bullish. The price action is still bullish. So anything you are putting in here is waste of time, right? A lot of people might have stuck in order here thinking, okay, once the price come here, it will bounce back and we are selling, right? But I'm sorry, the price will disappoint you. So you first of all understand the price movement first. Once you understand the price movement, then you put in your line based on the price movement, not putting in your line to stop the normal price movement. It's not going to work. So you should just see support and resistance as just that is all these lines and tools, patterns, indicators. Just see them as tools that helps you, okay, analyze the market, not tools that will help you stop the market from making any kind of movement. In fact, you put in a trend line, okay, like this, doesn't mean that once the price bounce back to this trend line, the price will just boom, should not go anywhere. That's the problem. Let me share with you this, because this is a live chart. If you look at this is a trend line, no argument. Now some people are going to draw their own trend line this way, right? This is also a trend line. So now which one is the price going to respect? Now look at the whole thing here. You might be expecting that the price will push, retrace back to this one and push up, okay? Or the price will retrace back to the second one and push up. But sorry, the price might disappoint you. Look at price action right here. The price could just push down because we had a kind of, sorry, we have a consolidation right here. The price have been consolidating around this zone. The price can simply push back into this level, okay, collect orders before pushing up. So all this, your trend lines, everything you have put in here is now wasted. It's just zero, right? So you need to understand what the price, how the price moves first before you start putting in all these lines. And as you are putting in all these lines, pay close attention to price movement, not your lines. You are the one who put in these lines, and millions of people also put in the same lines as your own, or closer, far away from your own, anything like that. So once you stop depending on trend lines, support and resistance, indicators, chart patterns, once you stop depending on them for your analysis, you become a better trader. You start seeing yourself making better entries, becoming patient enough to wait for the price to give you clear signal before you start making your entries or exiting a trade. So guys, I'll be bringing back more of this kind of content. Okay, so if you get any value from this content, from this particular video, don't forget to like this video. That's the only way I will know that, okay, you people are enjoying this type of content. But if few persons are liking the video, that means people don't actually, maybe you guys don't actually enjoy it. So once I get more likes on this video, I'm going to be exposing more of this type of you know, secrets. Okay. And also, if you want to enjoy free signals, I have a Telegram group where I share free signals. It's completely free, and I want to also advise that you avoid being scammed. I've said it time without number in this channel that I don't manage accounts. I don't manage anybody's account. So, and I don't even have a paid signal group. So all these things you should know. Anybody chatting you up, sending you links, anything like that is a scammer. The Telegram group I'm using for the free signal will always be in the description of my video. So if you want to join, click the link in the description of my video to join, right? I will never chat you up for any reason, so you should avoid being scammed. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoy this. Bye for now, guys.